All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Distract. Distract. Yeah, distract. To prevent. Yeah, prevent someone or something from seeing something else. So this is distracting me from the lesson. That is a distraction. Distraction. I can't focus. She is distracting me. And we can't get the job done. He was always a distraction because he is always in the way. Yeah, he's always a distraction. How cool is that? It is a nice, fun distraction. And it is a nice, fun distraction. It is a nice, fun distraction, and we like it a lot. Well, hold on. Distraction. Yeah, very good. What's going on here? So that, she, he, it. Okay, so I need a small distraction every now and then. It helps me maintain or be productive. It helps me be productive. Little distraction, a song, some food to keep productive and keep going. Yeah, very good. You were distracted. I will distract you or distract her. They are distracting me. They are distracting me. Yeah, they want me to look over there. I like to distract her. It is fun. It is fun. You were distracted and you wasted time. You were distracted and wasted time. What happened? You were distracted and wasted time. What happened? Yeah. He is distracting you from looking over there. He's always distracting them. He is always distracting them. Yeah. So those kinds of distractions will delay you in life. Yeah. That will distract you in the long term. Yeah. That distraction will make it so you lose time. You will waste time with distractions like that. Waste time. Yeah, not good. Distractions. Yeah, waste time. Yeah. You can't let that distraction get in your way. No, you can't let it get in your way. Distraction. No, keep focused. Keep focused, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, distraction. Distract. So, can you use distract in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.